Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling something that happens to all of us, wanting to take back a Snapchat story you just posted. Whether you shared something by mistake, changed your mind, or just want to clean up your profile, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Snapchat story in just a few taps. Let's start with the quickest and easiest method first. This works whether you just posted the story or it's been up for a while. Open your Snapchat app and swipe right from the camera screen to go to your Stories page. You'll see your active story at the top. Just tap and hold on your story thumbnail. A menu will pop up with several options. Tap Delete Story and confirm when it asks if you're sure. That's it. Your story is immediately removed and won't be visible to anyone. If that didn't work for some reason, there's another way to access the same option. From the camera screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap My Story. This will show you who's viewed your story. See the three dots in the top right corner? Tap those, then select Delete Story from the menu that appears. Now, here's an important thing to remember. Snapchat stories automatically disappear after 24 hours anyway. But if you want something gone immediately, these methods will do the trick. I should mention that deleting your story removes it for everyone immediately, but people who already saw it might remember what was there. There's no way to unsend a story from people's memories, unfortunately. Also, if you have multiple stories posted, you'll need to delete them one at a time using these same steps. Just repeat the process for each story you want to remove. Pro tip: if you find yourself wanting to delete stories frequently, you might want to review your story before posting. Snapchat lets you preview exactly how your story will look before you share it with everyone. I know sometimes we post things in the moment and then have second thoughts, so it's great that Snapchat makes it this easy to remove stories. Whether it's a blurry photo, a video with bad lighting, or just something you'd rather not have public anymore, now you know how to take it down quickly. If this guide helped you manage your Snapchat presence better, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more social media tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Snapchat questions. Thanks for watching.